Welcome in the first video from series in which I'm making with you an axe. In this video we will create an axe blade. So we start from creating a new document. First, open file and new document click. We must rename this document to axe blade. Next, we must switch to part design workbench and create new body. Rename this body to axe blade. And this should be just axe. And here is a moment where it's necessary to import an image, which will be base for our wall construction. So use file and import or shortcut Ctrl+I and use sufficient image. For me is this, and we get an image which is with white background. So we can now place this image in appropriate position. For this we will use an transform tool. Right click on use the transform, and in such way that top of axe is located to top of the plane. Click OK. Now it is also necessary to calibrate an image. So click double time in image and use the calibrate button. Firstly, determine the start point and determine the end point of your axe. And here switch here to 400 millimeters. Okay. Oh, so we have an image, and now it's time to create the sketch to reflect an shape of blade. So determine the plane, for us this plane, rotate, right position. Okay, so use for this firstly the curve lines of this plane and utilizing in such way more points means more accuracy here. And use continuous B-spline, continuous polyline, sorry. Or continue with this such way. Yeah. 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 So this is the shape. Normally it should also be constrained, but here all just necessary lines should be constrained. So such line, also such line, and here, also just one here, and now everything is totally fine. Now we use the path tool and give here 35 meters and click OK. Now we have the block. Normally this is the block of metal from which we then make a shape of blade. so sharp blade. So we attach to the surface the sketch and hide an image as is necessary here, unnecessary, and we will be utilizing the external lines here. Oh, we cannot make fetch operation just on the plane, so we should use datum plane for this. So preferably close this in the remove sketch, and again use the datum plane assigned to this face. Click OK, click datum plane, click sketch again. I have same, but this is more versatile for our task. And select this line here. We will start from this line, but and it's necessary also to select these lines to know where the shape is touching. But due to my mistake in selecting line, so here, and we have done external geometries. Now also here external geometry. And here, and we start an sharp part from creating a polyline from this side up to this side and ending this side. Must be sketch always close, so some work around here. And as you see, we have a sharp curve, so close and use this sketch to make a path and roll, but starting from plane, so we have such curve. Okay, and now we still will be utilizing this datum plane to make new sketch. This is the last sharp curve and the last part of making our axe. So just select and select, that's nice. So the shape, the curve should finish before this. So preferably I will start from such position, or such, and in here, also work around as I said. The points must be in the same line. So this is the sharper curve. Also constraints about degrees can be here up to 170. Okay, now we have, and this can be really sharp. So roll and symmetric to plane, we get a sharp curve. So this is our blade. And unfortunately this is the end. Next video we will make the handle. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.